This video shows you how to search for commands in the ribbon menu. AutoTRAX has an extensive set of commands that are built into the ribbon menu. There are currently over 600 separate commands. These are all logically grouped together and are context sensitive. Sometimes it can take some thought and time to find the appropriate command you are looking for, and it could involve then clicking on the ribbon tabs to find the required command. A very useful feature is the command search box located at the top of the ribbon menu. This allows you to search for a command. To search for a command, click on the search box at the top and enter text that you think will match the command you are looking for. So, for example, if you click on the search entry box and start typing add line, you will see a list of commands appear that match the text you have entered. Initially you will see a lot of add commands, and as you add more text the search result gets more specific, and the list of commands will reduce. Here you see the add line command button. Click on the add line button and the add line command will start. You can add a line by holding down the left mouse button when the cursor is at the start position for the line, and dragging the mouse to define the line. Finally releasing the left mouse button to finish the line. As another example, to clear the current sheet, typing clear in the search box brings up the list below with the clear button at the top. Clicking on the clear button clears the current schematic. To learn more, and have some fun, create a new project, and start entering your own command search text. Thanks for watching.